This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Marla Sommers. Open house, February 12th and 13th. 12:3 Mask are mandatory. The lakes at Waterstone model luxury home can be yours. Immaculate, spacious open floor plan, split bedroom gated pool home that overlooks a beautiful, mature landscaping surrounding the canal. This solid home is constructed with block concrete, tile roof, energy efficient 2019 AC with heat pump, 2020 water heater, new 2021 pool pump motor, luxurious custom interior, owner's suite with mirror sliding doors and closet by design, adjustable shelving throughout. A private gated community that has a clubhouse with a heated pool, gym, tennis courts, gazebos and walking trails over bridges throughout the lovely, manicured neighborhood. The builder's documentation on this home, which details all of the numerous features and amenities, are uploaded for your convenience into Flexmals. Contact me for more information. Marla Sommers, Realtor, Dalton Wade Re Group 321-806-9298 Realtor Marla 321 @gmail.com Brevard County, Florida. Homes for more information.